Good afternoon, my lovely, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to this video review. I'm here to talk to people who suffer with joint pains. Joint pain is something that's annoying. It can completely destroy an athlete. I mean, it can take away your mobility. You have to depend on other people sometimes. You know, you don't have your freedom. Your flexibility is limited. So joints, something that is tricky, right? It's something that we have to take great care of because as we get older, our joints, they're like one step ahead. They are already getting older, you know, as we're getting older. So it's kind of like that. But guys, I mean, joints, you do know that they are something like that, right? And then they have that liquid in between them that is known as the synovial fluid. And as we get older, that tends to run out. So today I'm here to talk to you about Joint Genesis, which is actually an incredible supplement that doesn't let that fluid run out. It actually keeps that fluid hydrated and always like reproducing, you know? So if you do suffer with pains and aches and you want to become healthier, man. I mean, right? Who doesn't want to be in their 70s or their 80s and just be able to sit down, you know, stand up without needing someone to hold us, or, you know, be able to move around, play with your grandchildren, or maybe like you're an athlete and you want to be able to be the best in your team. You want to be able to run properly without having pains. Joint Genesis is exactly what you guys need. So before we get started, I will be leaving the link that goes directly to their official webpage in the description box just here below this video, because I know you're going to want to give it a shot. So get it directly from there, guys. But you know, Joint Genesis, it's actually using the power of nature here to help you with your joint pains. So this is something that does not have GMOs or toxins. Like, it has herbal extracts, it has plants and vitamins and minerals and nutrients, things that are good for you, right? Things that are organic and natural. But what Joint Genesis does is actually pretty simple. It's like I said, it's going to help you keep your synovial fluid always lubricated, you know, always there, so it's never going to run out. And by guarding your joints, you're going to be able to have your mobility, your flexibility. Actually, you're going to be able to move around without feeling pain, without always having to be, you know, saying that this place hurts, that place hurts. So Joint Genesis is actually a really great supplement, especially for people who are at a much older age in their lives. But also, guys, this is something that can help you in so many ways. I mean, it has ingredients that are anti-inflammatories, antioxidants, so they can promote a healthy inflammatory response into your joint tissues. So you can take care of your joints, you know, it can help you with comfort, it can help you with regaining your synovial fluid so it never runs out. Do you know also that Joint Genesis has a 180-day money-back guarantee? So if you need a refund at some point, you can request it on the official webpage. But remember this, Joint Genesis is a natural supplement, so you have to take it seriously, okay? Make sure you're using it for the manufacturer suggests. It's recommended you do a 3 to 6 months treatment without interruptions, guys, okay? So visit this link right here to get to know more about it. For now, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Bye.